Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove emails from your Facebook account. You can remove your primary email or you can delete your account from your Facebook app. So I'm going to show you in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, so you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone, and first you need to check your application update or not. Go to Play Store and find Facebook here and open Facebook. And if you find here update option, if you see update option here, you have to update here. If you find the open option, then your application already updated. So now just open this application, and in order to remove your email from Facebook, open your Facebook. Now login, and now you have to go in this three line option, and you will see all option. Now just scroll down and just click setting and privacy. Again go to the setting, and here you can see the option like personal information, account information, and all details. So we need to click on personal and account information here. So it will be bring you the next page, which is contact info. Just click on it, and here you can see your email id or phone number. We can add another email id or phone number. So if you have only one email id in your account, you can remove, but you have to add first new email id or phone number. So if you want to still, just click on it, so you can remove from here. Okay, so it will be error if you click on it. It will show that you need to add at least one account. Let's see it show or not. So I need, are you sure you want to remove the use everything? Okay, so if I enter my password, let's see. Okay guys, I actually my password, I entered my password wrong. I don't remember when, now. So just come back, and you can remove. If you just enter the password, and if you click on continue, maybe it will be not remove. If you have only one email id, you have to add another email id or phone number that you can remove. Okay, try. If you want to just want to remove, so just click and try to remove, but I think it is not remove until you add another phone number or email id. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for